Winter can be a challenging season for bonsai. Protecting your bonsai from cold, frost, and other seasonal threats requires careful preparation. Bonsai trees fall into two main categories: temperate and tropical. Temperate species, like junipers and maples, need a dormancy period to stay healthy and can tolerate some cold, but their roots are vulnerable to freezing. Tropical species, like Ficus and Jade, cannot handle frost and must be kept in warm, stable environments. First, gradual acclimation. Help your outside bonsai adjust to the colder weather by reducing watering and stopping fertilization in the autumn or fall. Avoid sudden temperature shifts to minimize stress. 2. Root protection. The root system is highly sensitive to freezing temperatures. Use one of these methods to insulate the roots. Mulching. Cover the pot with straw, leaves, or mulch. Styrofoam boxes. Place the pot inside an insulated container, filling gaps with straw or bubble wrap. 3. Use shelters. Cold frames. These unheated structures shield bonsai from wind and frost. Windbreaks. Position your bonsai near a wall or erect a windbreak for protection from harsh winds. 4th, monitor watering. Watering requirements decrease during winter. Keep the soil slightly moist without letting it dry out or become waterlogged. 5. Pest and disease prevention. Inspect your bonsai for pests or mold before winter begins. Treat any issues promptly to prevent damage during dormancy. Indoor bonsai need special attention in winter since they are not frost-tolerant. 1. Transition gradually. Before bringing your bonsai indoors, clean the pot and inspect for pests. Move it indoors gradually to minimize stress. 2. Ensure adequate light. Provide at least 6 to 8 hours of indirect sunlight daily. If natural light is insufficient, use grow lights. 3. Maintain humidity. Dry indoor air can harm tropical bonsai. Use humidity trays, mist the leaves regularly, or run a humidifier in the room. 4. Regulate temperature. Keep the temperature between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing your bonsai near drafts, heaters, or cold windows. 5. Adjust watering and feeding water sparingly to keep the soil moist, but not soggy. Reduce feeding to once a month with diluted fertilizer. Species-specific tips. Junipers and pines, hardy but benefit from root insulation. Maples, sensitive to extreme cold, require extra shelter. Ficus and Jade must be kept indoors in warm, humid conditions. Long-term strategies. Preparation for winter begins year-round. Prune regularly to remove weak branches. Feed adequately during the growing season to strengthen roots. Repot before winter to ensure healthy root systems. Use well-draining soil to avoid waterlogging. Winter poses unique challenges for bonsai, but with proper care and preparation, your trees can emerge healthy and ready for spring. By understanding your bonsai's needs and taking proactive steps, you can ensure their survival and continued beauty for years to come. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more bonsai care tips and tutorials. Share your winter preparation methods in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.